Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, innama yastajibu alladhina yasma'un wal-mawta يبعثهم الله ثم إليه يرجعون. Translation: only those will respond and accept who listen, and to the dead Allah will raise them up, resurrect, then unto Him they will be returned. In the previous ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that the prophets were denied before when they gave the message to the people, and the prophets were patient, and in the end Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave victory to the prophets. But prophets wanted that all the people should get the message, and they tried their best, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also tried his best, and he was wishing that all the people of Mecca get the hidayah and come to Islam. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's sunnah is that whoever wants to get the guidance will be given the guidance. And if somebody is given the message and they understand the truth, and after understanding it, they reject it and deny it and keep denying it, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala seals their heart. And this topic we have studied in Surah Al-Baqarah. And these people will become like a dead people, that if a message is given to dead people, they cannot listen and they cannot understand and they cannot act on it. Similarly, these people whose heart have been sealed, they will never be able to understand the message in the world. But when they are resurrected in the hereafter, then they will realize that how big of a mistake they have made in the world, and they will see the punishment of hereafter, and they will regret. But at that time, it will not be fruitful to regret. So these unfortunate people who rejected the message after understanding it, and they did not go towards the truth and did not accept towards the truth, when they will be resurrected, they will accept all their sins, and they will accept the message at that time, but it will be of no use, and they will be put in everlasting punishment of hellfire. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us the vision so that we can see the hereafter with the eyes of our heart, and we prepare for it. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.